Hello, my name is Ryan. This is my first video on my channel. Today I will be playing Swing Town. I will show you how to play. First, this hand starts in the C position. However, this hand starts in the G position. This is a slur which you hold down. You hold down, since it's a whole note, you'll hold it down for 4 notes. These are eighth notes, so each has half a count because it is 4/4 time. Thank you for watching my video.